Hello, my name is Una Cunningha. I'm Head of Transformation here at the Mater Hospital. Tonight on Culture Night I welcome you to our wonderful Artist in Residence exhibition here at the Mater Hospital. In 2019, Mater Transformation was really happy to support this initiative where we brought in our first artist in residence, and we were delighted to welcome Navin in this position. Since this, Navin has had the opportunity to have her own studio in our beautiful 1861 Mater wing. During this time, she's immersed herself in our Mater community and in particular with our colleagues in surgery. Tonight is a product of her work. In 2019, there was a really nice reaction to Navin's presentation of her early pieces of work. Going forward, we hope to have a public exhibition in 2022, and we hope then that we can welcome other artists into this position. Enjoy this. I think it brings a lovely perspective through the artist lens of our work in surgery in the Mater Hospital.
Hi, I'm Ronan Cahill. I'm a consultant surgeon at the Mater Hospital, Professor Surgeon UCD, and it's terrific to see the launch of Navin Hyder's work as this installation of the side of the Mater Misericordiae Hospital. Supported by UCD Surgery and the hospital, Navin's been working for the last 2 years in documenting and illustrating and showing the care that happens around the art of surgery. The Mater Hospital really defines itself by the care it gives to the patients. And to me, this is nowhere more apparent than in theatre, where a team of people literally looks after a single person over hours at a very vulnerable time for the patient. It's great that this most private area of the hospital has been made opened up to the public for them to see this through the work of Navin. These are both the still images, but also her dynamic pictures really show the movement and action that happens in an operation. And it's really a great credit to Navin that she's managed to capture both the care and the action of surgery in this very innovative way.